Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the very good and the mega recruitment for the assistant professor vacancies from one of the state university. The total 1,268 vacancies are there from the 29 departments, and the selection will be based upon the direct interview, no exam, and the salary as per the UGC norms. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is the Patliputra University from Patna, and it is the official website of this university guys. So if you scroll down, okay, don't worry, I will provide all the necessary links at the end of the description box of this video. Okay, and if you scroll down here in the updated notice, okay, click on this view all, then you will be directed to the notices, and you may check down here in the notice board new instruction for the guest faculty form. So click on that one, then you will be directed to the next web page. Yeah, it is the next web page, and here you may check down new instructions for the guest faculty form, and here the subjects of for guest faculty. First we will check the subjects for guest faculty, but before going into the subject, one request is that if you are not belong to this subject, then please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects. It will very much helpful to them guys. Okay, so please don't neglect, share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects. Okay, and here the subject is A and AS, Bangla, Botany, Chemistry, Commerce, Economics, Electronics, okay, and English, Environmental Science, Geography, Hindi, History, Home Science, LSW, Math, Music, Pali, Philosophy, Physics, Political Science, Prakrit, and Psychology, Public Administration, or Economics, Sanskrit, Sociology, Urdu, Zoology. And you may check down the each and every vacancies, okay, that mentioned here, the number of sanctioned seats here. Okay, so here the total 1,268 are there, and out of this one, the 797 seats are working, and the vacant seats are 471. Okay, they are mentioning here. So you may check down in this table guys, and while coming to the instructions, we will see new instructions for the guest faculty form. So click on that one, then you will be directed to this PDF. So let us see the instructions very clearly. Online applications are invited for preparing the panel of eligible candidates of guest or part-time teachers in different subjects in university department and constituent college. Okay, the educational qualification eligibility criteria, submission process of the application form and application fee, and all the things are mentioned in the official website, that is ppup.ac.in. The last date for submission of online application form is 16th April 2021. Okay, and after this one, the hard copy of the printed application form has to reach the office of the registrar is 24th April 2021. Okay, and here few instructions are given here. First I will take you to the essential qualifications. Okay, before that one, the engagement shall be for 6 months or till the regular appointment of the teacher, whichever is earlier. Coming to the essential qualification and experience, a candidate should have minimum 55% of marks at the master level or equivalent, and 5% relaxation will be given at the master's level. Okay, for SC/ST candidate of the state. Okay, that means the candidates who belongs to SC/ST of the other state, they have to apply under the general category. Okay, actually it means that point, I think, right? And next, or mean A, for SC/ST candidates 5% reservation, or physically challenged persons from any part of the country, but both benefits shall not be admissible to the same candidate. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSI or NET qualification, or else the SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so essential qualifications for law is also given here, so you may check down these qualifications too, and few terms and conditions are there. The above number of requirements in different subjects is provisional and subject to variation, and the current reservation of the policy of the government of Bihar will strictly be followed. And coming to the age, experience and other prescribed qualifications will be counted as on 31st March 2021. Here the minimum age is at 23 years and maximum age is 55 years. Okay, and the honorarium will be consolidated in nature as per the provisions of government of Bihar, and the engagement can be terminated by the competent authority anytime. So few more instructions are given here. You may go through. And coming to the application process, eligible candidates are requested to apply online with the fee of 1000 rupees only for the general candidates and 750 rupees only for the OBC or BC candidates and 50 rupees for the SC or ST candidates as form processing charges against the advertisement. And the online application form last date is 16th April 2021. So these are the dates, guys, and the hard copy has to be sent by hand or registered post or courier by at least 24th April 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. And candidates are required to attach a self-addressed envelope also along with the hard copy of the application form by mentioning the 40 rupees stamp must be affixed on that envelope. Okay, and the selection process, the distribution of marks for academic career will be same as provided in the statute approved by the Honorable Chancellor communicated White. However, candidates will be given benefit of PhD or the MPhil degree, but the candidates will be entitled to claim the benefit of either MPhil or PhD, but never for both. So these are the things given here. In the event of total marks obtained from educational qualification and interview. Okay, that means there is no written exam here, guys. So it is a wonderful opportunity. Direct interview will be there, being the same. Candidate having the higher marks in educational qualification will be placed higher in the final merit list. Okay, and few more important instruction. Applicants are required to browse the website of the university regularly. So these are the complete instructions, guys. Okay, so to get the accurate and more details, I will provide the website link and both these two links at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. And subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide